This video is going to get you used to how you can optimize your Creative Cloud libraries. Libraries are one of my favorite things in Creative Cloud. So the first thing, like we looked at earlier, you need to make sure that you are logged into your Creative Cloud account. Then you have access to all of your libraries. So by default, libraries do open in most programs, but if they're not open, you can access them by going to Window, CC Libraries. So let's break this panel down so you can kind of see how it is working. So if I click here, you can see these are all the libraries that I have, and the ones that have the icon, those means those are shared libraries. So I can share my libraries with other people. To switch between different libraries, I just click on them and then I can see all of the assets I have in that library. So let's look at some of the things you can save. Colors, paragraph styles, images, graphics, so Illustrator files. So I'm viewing in a list view. I can also view in a larger icon view. Up here at the top, you can see I can create a new library, export, import one that someone else has sent to me, start sharing those in different ways, rename them, etc. So let's look at how we can use an existing library in our work. So let's say that we are finishing up this design and we want to add some icons here. So to do that, I literally can just drop that icon to the desktop, click down, move it wherever I want to go. Now you may have noticed it has this little cloud icon. That means it's linked through our Creative Clouds. So I can just drag and drop any of these icons like that. If I want to use paragraph style, just select the text, click on the paragraph style I want to use, and it changes to that paragraph style. So you can see it's one-click application, and so there's my fill. And now we're going to look at how we can add things to our Creative Cloud. So I'm going to switch into a different library, and I'm going to switch to my JTech branding. So I'm going to select this font style. I'm going to hit this plus mark, and I want to add the actual style of this text. So I click on paragraph style. So that appears down here, so it's basically saving that Gill Sans bold in the blue at 53 point. Now if I wanted to save this actual text, maybe you have something like copyright information, things that you want to use repeatedly, I can save the text. So this would be, I can drag that out and it's going to be that actual text, the same words. So we'll import this icon. All I need to do, click here, I can add that graphic right there. Alright, so one of the things you can do with Creative Cloud is utilize libraries across different programs. So I've switched to my Unmistakably Lawrence library. I want you to keep an eye on that. And we're going to switch to Adobe XD. And so we've got an Adobe XD file open here. Now in XD it's a little bit different. You access your Creative Cloud libraries through the File menu. And let's just pop down to Unmistakably Lawrence. So you can see there's all of our colors, there's some fonts, there's the photos we have, our icons, and we can use those across platforms. So the exact same way, just drag and drop, and I have those images and logos to use right in there. So that is how you optimize your Creative Cloud library.